everybody, it's Stewart, Republican candidate for governor. We're going to get the Monstertruck. We're going to have a great time. I'm going to bring you with me. Come on, let's go. Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. We got you on Facebook Live, just so you know.
Oh, hi, Facebook Live. Hi.
Hey, everybody. All right. See you, man. Okay.
Oh, now he wants a seatbelt on.
Yeah.
See, I wasn't silly putting my seatbelt.
All right. Well, we got a lot of people watching. We're going to have a good time. All right. Woohoo!
We're going to take you down in the field.
All right. Let's go down there. What I need for rush hour.
Yeah, are you kidding me?
Everybody! Woo! So how long have you had the truck?
About 2 years. I bought a new in '97.
You modified it a little
I
bit.
modified it 2 years
Just
ago.
a little bit.
Just a little bit. It's still road legal.
Yeah? It's still road legal?
I got tags on it.
You're kidding.
Yep.
This is road legal? Hey everybody, we're who's watching, we're 13 feet up. 13 feet up. This is a blast.
Get you a little 360 now.
Was that?
Get you a little
360. Oh! Yeah. Everybody should have one of these. When I'm governor, everybody's got to have a monster truck. That's my promise. A monster truck in every spot.
There we go.
That's it. Born and raised in Virginia.
Are you?
Yep.
Good for you, man. Whereabouts?
Elkton, Virginia.
Elkin.
That's my hometown. I live in Broadway now.
Okay. Well, I hope you all had fun. This has been a blast, everyone.
Good day at Cooters.
We are here at Cooters. We are here at Cooters, and that's it's a new place put on. It's owned by Ben Jones from the Dukes of Hazzard. And back down there, by the way, is the one of the original Dukes of Hazzard cars, and the pickup truck, and I think the tow truck. Got to meet Lou Duke a little bit earlier, and Cooters coming back in a little bit.
And then you get to go and enjoy my set. I'm responsible for the set back
You
there.
did? Oh,
Yes.
is that
I
right?
had that up.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
What was your name?
I'm Elizabeth Lynch.
Elizabeth Lynch. Well, thanks a lot, Elizabeth.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome. I'm going to let you out there.
All right.